What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Ondo, wanted to do a daily update. I mean, we've broken another level yesterday. Had a bit of a spike down from the main resistance level we talked about, which was 1.25, but over the course of the night, in my time zone at least, we broke above that. And with that, Ondo is continuing to be one of the strongest cryptos in the entire crypto space right now. If you really zoom out to the last couple of days, you can also see it's been the strongest performer in the most traded cryptos. So in this video, just wanted to do a full update on what to expect, all right? Because if you see a crypto like this, the way Ondo has been performing, it's obviously great. Personally, I hold quite a lot of Ondo, so this is amazing to see. And at the same point of time, we broke above 1.25. So far, we've been holding that. So technically, we're also still bullish. But you also start to wonder how long can this continue, all right? So I'll tell you some of my tricks to try to estimate that. In the last 11 days, we've gone up by 80%, which is a ridiculous gain. But that's the situation right now. We're still gaining momentum here. We had some decent spot buys coming in since yesterday evening. So I would say Ondo is still bullish. But like I said as well, at some point of time this will end, and what's happening right now when we talk about the market situation is that the market itself, I would say, is still bullish, even though we got a nice red candle from Bitcoin an hour ago, but the volume is very low. So what that means is that in the next 24 hours we'll get new volume into the markets. That volume is going to make the market move a lot, and Ondo has been very, very strong. And the volume for Ondo has been pretty, I believe it's pretty remarkable as well. But the volume for Ondo is dropping down. The volume for Bitcoin is very low. Ondo still reacts to Bitcoin's moves. So that's why I do think we need to talk about some bearish scenarios as well. But obviously, or at least in my opinion, when you see a chart like this, and there's also some sort of a narrative behind it, which is, and we talked about that before, but I still think that the Ethereum ETF plays a significant role for RWA cryptos, so real world cryptos, real world assets cryptos. So that's also what you saw earlier this morning with Token being quite strong, PolyX being quite strong. And I think that narrative still has air. So what I think is most likely, if you look at the price right now, is, right, we have resistance at 1.32. Our main support level, I would say, is somewhere here between 1.2 and 1.25. I think it's most likely that after hitting support here, we will be able to regain some momentum and break above 1.32 and 1.35 to get up towards our next price target, which is that major psychological area around 1.5. So let's, for simplicity, say 1.45, 1.5. That's what I think is most likely. Now, what I think the best way to look at Ondo right now, though, it's different, right? What I would say, and this works very often, I would say, when a crypto is rallying like this, the best thing to do is that after hitting a resistance, which right now is 1.32, just consider the price to be in a box between that resistance and the strongest support, all right? And then wait for a breakout. So for example, here, at the end of last week, we were consolidating between 1.15 and 1.05. The best thing to do is wait for a breakout. Then we broke out above 1.15 here, got a nice breakout, retest, and then you know we're going to continue going up. So right now, I would say the main box is between 1.32 and 1.2. So wait for a breakout. All right, if Bitcoin turns very bearish over the next 24 to 36 hours, it's very possible, and it's also in line with the history of Ondo, it's very possible to get a bearish breakout here and a big dip into 1.05. That's what like that's the potential drop we can have, and Ondo has had drops like that before. So be careful, right? I would strongly recommend you to wait for that confirmation. I think it's most likely we'll get a bullish confirmation by breaking above 1.32. But keep your eyes on Bitcoin. If that turns bearish, a bearish confirmation is just as easily possible. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.